Question number 1. Diego Garcia Island, that was recently seen in news, is located in which ocean? Option A, Indian Ocean. Option B, Atlantic Ocean. Option C, Pacific Ocean. Option D, Arctic Ocean. Correct answer, option A, Indian Ocean. Explanation. 15 Tamil Nadu fishermen were reportedly detained near Diego Garcia in the British Indian Ocean Territory for crossing the maritime boundary. Diego Garcia is a coral atoll, the largest and southernmost island in the Chagos Archipelago, Central Indian Ocean. It covers 44 square kilometers with a V-shaped quay and an open lagoon. The UK leased Diego Garcia to the US in 1966 for a military base, displacing its inhabitants. Question number 2. What is the name of the second multipurpose vessel recently launched for the Indian Navy? Option A, INS Utkarsh. Option B, INS Vikrant. Option C, INS Sangam. Option D, INS Karanj. Correct answer, option A, INS Utkarsh. Explanation. Larsen and Toubro launched the second multipurpose vessel, INS Utkarsh, for the Indian Navy at Kattupalli shipyard near Chennai. ENS Utkarsh, meaning superior in conduct, is built by L&T Shipbuilding Limited. The vessel is 106 meters long, 18.6 meters wide, with a displacement over 3,750 tons and a maximum speed of 15 knots. It will enhance maritime surveillance, patrolling, and disaster relief capabilities of the Navy. The launch follows the first MPV, INS Samarthak, within 3 months. This aligns with India's Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiatives, showcasing indigenous shipbuilding progress. Question number 3. Prime Minister Ilsa Amadovaz, who recently announced her resignation, belongs to which country? Option A, Cameroon. Option B, Sao Tome and Principe. Option C, Chad. Option D, Democratic Republic of the Congo. Correct answer, option B, Sao Tome and Principe. Explanation. Sao Tome and Principe Prime Minister Ilsa Amadovaz resigned after her proposed cabinet list was publicly leaked before informing President Carlos Villanova. Amadovaz, a former justice minister, was appointed prime minister following the dissolution of Patrice Trovoada's government. Sao Tome and Principe is a small archipelago in the Gulf of Guinea, covering just over 1,000 square kilometers. Question number 4. Ranthambore Tiger Reserve lies at the junction of which two mountain ranges? Option A, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Option B, Satpura and Vindhyas. Option C, Aravallis and Vindhyas. Option D, Himalayas and Shivaliks. Correct answer, option C, Aravallis and Vindhyas. Explanation. A flagship river-link irrigation project in Rajasthan will submerge 37 square kilometers of Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, dividing it into 2 sections. It is situated at the junction of the Aravallis and Vindhyas ranges in Rajasthan. It was once a royal hunting ground for Jaipur's Maharajas and is now one of northern India's largest tiger reserves. The reserve is ideal for tiger monitoring due to its unique climate and vegetation. It is bordered by the Chambal River in the south and the Banas River in the north. The Ranthambore Fort, a United Nations educational, scientific and cultural organization, World Heritage Site, lies within the reserve. Question number 5. Nag Mak 2 missile is developed by which organization? Option A. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Option B. Defense Research and Development Organization. Option C. Indian Space Research Organization. Option D. Bharat Dynamics Limited. Correct answer. Option B. Defense Research and Development Organization. Explanation Raksha Mantri congratulated Defense Research and Development Organization on the successful field evaluation trials of the Nagmek-2 missile. The Nagmek-2 is a third-generation indigenously developed anti-tank fire-and-forget guided missile. It is developed by Defense Research and Development Organization. It features fire-and-forget technology for precision targeting with minimal operator intervention. The missile can neutralize modern armored vehicles with explosive reactive armor. The Nag Missile Carrier version 2 was also field evaluated, and the weapon system is now ready for induction into the Indian Army.